What's up, guys? I'm out here in Pasadena today. Living in LA, there's so many side hustles that one can do. There's catering, there's a ride service. I actually drove Lyft for a little bit. Bartending. I actually went to bartending school, but there's like so many drinks to memorize. I failed. I had to let that one go. But one of the lesser known side hustles is actually dog walking. So today we're gonna meet up with Eve and Ashley, two dog walking extraordinaires, and we're gonna get some insight, learn the ins and outs, spend some time with them, and hopefully gain some value and see what it's like to be a dog walker in LA. All right. There's like catering. Have you done anything?
I've done catering. I've done horseback trail guiding.
That's different.
Side hustle.
That's pretty cool. I've tried bartending school and way too many drinks to memorize. You know, I'm not down to like learn what a Tom Collins is because no one's ever gonna order one.
I don't.
Yeah, I still don't know what it is. But one of the lesser known side hustles is dog walking, and Eve knows what's up with dog walking. So today we're gonna follow her and Ashley and maybe gain some insight and just see what's up with the dog walking side hustle in LA.
Yeah, so my friend Ashley, it's her business. We both started out working for a dog walking service that she managed, and she hired me, and she split off and now does her own business, and she got a minivan for it and everything, her little doggy mobile.
That's dedication.
And so I meet her at the trailhead here and help her out with the doggy wrangling, and we take them on pack hikes, and we're gonna go behind JPL.
Okay.
And so it's gonna be nice and shady and flat.
So rockets and dogs.
Yeah, rockets and dogs here in the HaHamonga Watershed Park.
Okay. So yeah, we'll check it out. So come along with us. Yeah. Oh, these guys are ready for their walk. You can tell.
Oh yeah. All the energetic dogs go back there.
Mm-hmm.
The calm ones go up front.
I see how it is.
They have more room to wrestle and play back there.
Mm-hmm. Chance. Is Chance having a bad hair day?
He's having a good hair day.
Yeah,
Okay.
surprisingly enough.
He usually has a bun. I'm not really a fan of the pig.
A Chance bun.
Yep, a man bun.
This is Buddha.
Buddha.
And this is Bandit.
And then
All right.
this meadow.
Yeah.
All right, order everyone, order in the court.
And y'all are in sync. I like that.
So far.
Our main goal is to not let the dogs walk ahead.
Yeah.
Got you.
It's a challenge every day.
Every day.
Every day.
I heard like even when you walk through a door, like you should walk in first.
Yeah. You want to create boundaries. There, people that have human kids sometimes aren't a fan when you compare dogs to kids, but they're very similar. Just like with kids, you have to have like a bedtime routine or like a school routine. The same thing with dogs. We have a routine and they know their routine. You can tell the dogs that are like newer because they haven't quite figured out the routine yet.
Like Honey here, she's on the newer side. Little spaz.
Okay.
Rigby is our newest girl. She's actually a service dog that walked me out of high school.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Thanks for your service.
Yeah. Lucky kids, they get to pet dogs all day.
I know, like low key though, there's a lot of people that just like wear the vests for the dogs, and then so they can bring them inside stores.
Well, and technically, I don't think you even have to, like, you're not allowed to ask if it's like a service dog. You can't ask if, like, I think establishments aren't allowed to ask if, like, what service the dog does too. But yeah, there's a lot of that.
Thankfully you came on a nice day. Not too hot. The dog.
Yeah.
Keep them on their toes. as you can see, poodle doodle mixes are probably our most popular breed.
I noticed that. Yeah, my sister has one, and they're good dogs actually.
Yeah.
They're great family dogs, and they have great temperaments too. Like, I've met a lot of doodles, and I think I've only met one that has like real like aggression or like behavioral issues. Most of the time they're just like really, the hard part is they're just like overly excited. So you just have to like teach them to like calm down. But a lot of them don't have like the behavioral issues that you see in like other dogs.
So there's
depending on like the dogs that we see, sometimes we'll like walk past, but other times we'll have everyone sit.
Okay.
Good. Bandit. Snoopy. Meadow. Sit.
Harry, sit.
Meadow. Sit.
Sit,
Very
Harry.
good. Ricky. Sit.
So we'll let these other two dogs pass.
Yep.
Give them the right of way.
Yep. Exactly.
How you doing?
Good job. Good. Because some dogs, you know, they don't like a large pack of dogs.
Yes.
Intimidating.
I can see that.
Dog, and then the dogs that we have.
All vibes.
Sit. Snoopy. Sit.
Okay.
One of our picture times.
Yeah.
All right. Honey, sit. Panda, turn it around. Sit. Sit, Panda. Harry, turn it around. All the way.
make a difference whether you walk like 6 dogs or like 10 dogs? Or is there like a threshold?
I mean, it depends on like the group of dogs.
Gotcha.
So like her group is all pretty good. They don't have like any reactivity issues, but like Meadow can be reactive, and then Noopy was also reactive when she first started. So if you have like multiple reactive dogs that are in a group and one dog barks, then everyone like tends to join in. So it kind of goes with like the whole dog training mentality. You want to prevent the behavior from happening in the first spot, in the first place. So that's why we have everyone sit and like focus on us for like a treat sometimes.
And like the figure eights.
All of their attention is on us, so we can do like the figure eights. Because some dogs are more comfortable with movement. Like sitting still is actually harder and will make them more reactive than it would be if they were like moving around.
Okay.
Sit. Good. Very good, Meadow. With me.
What's up? We're heading back. We've reached the halfway point.
Thank God.
Noopy.
Yeah. Come on, Bruda.
Good job.
Come on, Kayla. That's it.